no Band-Aid. What's up, everybody? As you can see, I don't have that hideous Band-Aid on my face. Instead, I have this hideous, I don't know, it's not really a scar yet. The skin is still coming in. But you want to know why it grew back so fast? Lots of bourbon and scotch. That's right. No, I'm kidding. I'm not condoning drinking whatsoever. You know what's funny about drinking? I've got some really fantastic bottles. I love wine, scotch, bourbon. I have probably been drinking about 10% of what I normally was when I was a working man. So since I've been retired, I'm barely drinking anymore. So a word to the wise, work can kill you. That's why I don't do it anymore. Please do excuse me if I'm in a hyperish mood. It's 75 degrees today, and I absolutely love it. And tomorrow it's going to be 81. That's fantastic. It's been a really long first 4 months of the year. So anyway, you guys don't care about that. You are here for the High Yield Dividend Challenge. I believe this is week 8. And if you're new to my channel, the High Yield Dividend Challenge is a weekly giveaway that I have been doing where I invest $10 a week into a portfolio that mainly focuses on high yield dividend stocks. And then I give someone $10 away, like in a giveaway, and hopefully it gets them interested in investing. Because wait till I show you how the performance of my portfolio has done since 8 weeks ago when I started. So if we take a look, this week I actually kind of cheated a little bit. I used funds from next week, basically. I really wanted to buy another position. As you guys probably remember, last week EDI, it dipped because they cut their dividend by 1 penny. So I did buy another share, and I'm actually glad I did because I cut my P&L down in half. It was just over, I think about 4.5% I was down on that. And with the addition of one more share, I was able to bring my average price down. So now I'm only 2.5% down. This thing is paying like, I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, like 9.5% dividend yield. I'm not worried about it. I'll buy more for sure. But I also wanted to add something new to show you guys. And that new stock was CIM, Chimera Investment Corporation. Chimera has been in my big portfolio for years. They're a real estate investment trust, an REIT. They focus on investing in residential mortgage loans and residential and commercial mortgage-backed securities. Since their inception back in 2007, they have dished out a whopping $5.2 billion in dividends. That's why I love these types of stocks, you guys. I just keep buying more. Whenever the price goes down, as long as the company's strong, when the price goes down, it's a sale. It's a fire sale. And like this last March was a fire sale last year. I put a good amount of money into the market. I wish I would have put more, but I was, just like everyone else, probably pretty scared with COVID. Didn't know if the world was going to end. But if the world did end, I guess my money wouldn't really be worth anything anyway. So I probably should have put every last dime into the market, but oh well. Another reason I did go ahead and buy Chimera is because I didn't have enough money to buy what I honestly really wanted to, which was either good or ABR. I talked about them in this video here. These are two of my absolute favorite REITs. Even with all the craziness of COVID last year, they did not cut their dividends, and that's saying a lot because a lot of companies did. But I really wanted to get an REIT in there, so I thought, let's do Chimera. Right now, their stock price is just at about $13 a share, and their dividend yield is just over 9% annually. And another reason I picked Chimera is I believe that they're probably a pretty good value stock right now. Being at $13, right before COVID hit, they were in the low 20s. So they still have a ways to go as far as recovering to prior highs. And that's only going to add to the value if you buy this stock. And full disclosure, I am not pushing any stocks on anyone, like I've said before. So now on to the giveaway. So last week I asked a very simple question, which was, what are your thoughts on cryptocurrency? It's basically that, black and white. You could say, I hate it, I think they're stupid, and you could still win. So with that, let's see who the winner was. All right, so I got my random comment generator. There's 29 comments. let's see who won. Hopefully you mentioned something about cryptocurrency. Wow, I don't want to try to say this. Shurveya B. I'm going to go with that. Hopefully I'm not butchering your name. I apologize if I am. Oh, that's exciting. I'm interested about the Dogecoin trading. Well, I asked what are your opinions of it, so there you go. That wins. If you're new to this channel, in the comments, just leave me your email or look in the description below in this video and you can find my personal email and just email me and let me know if Venmo is okay. If you prefer PayPal, please let me know. Now, you guys might remember me mentioning that I'm actually going to stop the High Yield Dividend Challenge giveaway for a while. I'm going to continue to keep this account open and add new positions. I did think about it over the last few days. I am still going to do the giveaway, but I'm not going to have it scheduled like once a week. I'll probably do one randomly here every few weeks, maybe once a month, maybe. I'm not sure really, but I really want to focus on putting out some trading videos rather than just kind of give someone the fish. I'd rather show them how they can fish. Because quite honestly, the information that I can give you guys on trading is worth a lot as well. I'm gonna continue to obviously, still cover high yield dividend stocks. That's what I started this channel about, and I don't plan on going anywhere regarding that. But trading is such a huge industry, and if you YouTube trading, there's just so many. I don't know. There's so many shysters out there that, they show you something and they're like, hey, isn't this cool? Now sign up for my class and pay a few $1,000s. And I'm never going to do that, guys. I'm going to be completely transparent with you and show you everything I know for what it's worth. But for what it is worth, I think it's pretty good. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys. Congratulations, Shurveya. Make sure to get back to me either in the comments or via email, and I'll send you $10. As far as my next video, I plan on putting out my first video on trading this Tuesday, just in, like 3 days away. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and feel that maybe I earned a like. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found any value in this whatsoever. So please be kind to one another, stay safe out in this crazy world, and I will see you in a few days. Bye-bye.